Hi, this is Sri from TechieTalksAI. Welcome to day 18 of our AWS Developer Certification series. In this one, we are focusing on CI/CD, the basics. There is no lab, just to bring clarity on what is CI/CD and why we need it. So the big question is, why should a developer manually copy code, upload files, restart servers, and pray nothing breaks? That old style is slow, risky, and stressful. CI/CD says every code change, that is, every code that you edit, should travel through a safe, automatic delivery road. AWS CodePipeline helps us model, visualize, and automate software release steps such as source, build, test, approval, and deployment. So, what is CI/CD? Let's first see what is CI. CI stands for continuous integration. Imagine many students writing parts of one project. If everyone keeps their code separately for many days, final merging becomes painful. CI means whenever code changes, automatically check whether it still works. Typical CI actions: developer pushes the code to the repo, system pulls latest code, build runs, tests run, errors are caught early. Now, what is CD? CD can be continuous delivery or continuous deployment. CD means after code passes checks, prepare or release it automatically. There are two common styles. Continuous delivery, code is ready to deploy, but human approval may be needed. So continuous delivery, human is needed for final approval. Whereas continuous deployment, code is deployed automatically after passing checks. So there is no human intervention needed. Again, continuous deployment, there is no human intervention needed. A simple real-life example question: why do we need CI/CD? Imagine a restaurant kitchen. Without CI/CD, cook prepares food manually, no checklists, no taste check, no final inspection. Customer may get wrong dish. With CI/CD, order received, ingredients checked, cooking steps followed, quality checked, dish delivered. In software, code change, that is after we edit code, it builds, tests, approves, and deploys. CI/CD reduces manual mistakes, catches bugs early, and makes releases faster and repeatable. What is AWS CodePipeline? AWS CodePipeline is an AWS service used to create automated software release pipeline. It lets you define stages of your release process through the AWS console or CLI. A pipeline is like a conveyor belt for code. Source goes to build stage, build goes to test stage, and then it goes to deploy stage. AWS documentation describes a pipeline as a workflow that shows how software changes move through a release process. And each pipeline contains stages. What is a pipeline stage? A stage is one big step in the release journey. Example, stage 1 can be source, edited source getting pushed to a repo. Stage 2 is building stage, that is sources getting compiled. Then stage 3, testing. Stage 4, deployment. So stage 1, source, stage 2, build, stage 3, test, stage 4, deploy. AWS CodePipeline pipelines are made up of stages and actions that you configure. What is an action? An action is an actual task inside a stage. Source stage can have get code from GitHub. Build stage can have run code build. Deploy stage can have deploy to S3, EC2, Elastic Beanstalk, ECS. We will see them in subsequent videos. AWS defines an action as a task performed on an artifact in a stage, and actions may run sequentially or in parallel depending on stage configuration. So, important CI/CD vocabulary: pipeline, full automated journey of code; stage, major checkpoint in the journey; action, a task inside a stage; artifact, output passed from one stage to another; source, where the code comes from; build, convert source into runnable package. Deploy, release code to users. Approval, human permission before continuing. Let's look at the code journey. What happens when a developer pushes code? Developer pushes code to repository. Source stage detects change. Build stage packages the application. Test stage checks quality. Approval stage may ask human. Deploy stage releases the app. By default, a code pipeline can start automatically when it is created or when a change is made in the source repository, and it can also be started manually. Here is the diagram. Developer pushes the code to GitHub, code commit or S3. Code pipeline gets triggered. Source stage picks up the source. Build stage builds it. Test stage tests it. Deploy stage deploys it. That means the application is updated. Today we are not building any pipeline. Today we are not having any lab. Subsequent videos we will use code pipeline to create the lab. How professional companies release code without fear. No manual copying, no guessing, no late night panic. This is the magic of CI/CD. Suppose you change one line of code, should you manually test everything again? Answer, not manually. Let CI/CD do it automatically. What if the build fails? The pipeline stops. That is good. It prevents broken code from reaching users. What if we need manager approval before production? We can add an approval stage in code pipeline before deployment. What if deployment fails? We know exactly where it failed. Pipeline UI should show the fail stage. So professional DevOps mindset is repeatable, visible, automated, traceable, safe deployments. So that is what CI/CD helps us in achieving. Common beginner mistakes. Mistake 1, thinking CI/CD is only for big companies. Wrong. Even small teams benefit because CI/CD reduces manual work and mistakes. Mistake 2, thinking pipeline means only deployment. Wrong. Pipeline may include source, build, test, security scan, approval, deploy and notification. Mistake 3, ignoring region. If pipeline is not visible, first check the AWS region. Mistake 4, not reading failure logs. The UI shows failure location, but logs explain the reason. A quick revision, what is CI/CD? CI/CD is a method of automatically integrating, testing and delivering software changes so that end users see the updated application. Why do we need CI/CD? Because manual deployment is slow, error prone and difficult to repeat safely. What is a pipeline? Pipeline is a full automated workflow through which code moves from source to release. What is a stage? Stage is a major step in the pipeline, such as source, build, test or deploy. What is an action? Action is an actual task inside a stage. What is an artifact? Artifact is an output passed from one stage to another, such as source code zip, build package or deployment bundle. Why is code pipeline UI useful? Because it visually shows which stage is running, which stage succeeded, which stage failed, execution history, manual release option. And final memory hook. CI/CD is not just automation, CI/CD is confidence. Without CI/CD, I hope this works. With CI/CD, the pipeline proved this works. And one line summary, CI/CD helps us move code from developer to user through a safe, automatic, visible pipeline. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and give your valuable comments. See you in the next video.